Come with me to see how I transformed my whole garage in minutes using GarageSkins systems. With this easy to install system, I went from this to this. It's even made from a real wood veneer. This system is custom fitted using lightweight magnetic panels that can be installed in a matter of minutes. They even have optional hardware to give the carriage house look I was trying to achieve. The panels are thin and made to operate with your existing door system. They also come in a variety of styles and colors to fit your aesthetic.